Paano magpalit ng Globe at-home prepaid Wi-Fi password at SSID? So first, define muna natin kung ano ang SSID. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier, which is simply just your Wi-Fi name. Ito yung makikita mo kapag ko-connect ka sa mga available Wi-Fi networks. So from my place, ito yung mga available or visible Wi-Fi network dito sa lugar namin. Okay, so balik tayo sa question natin. So paano palitan ang default password at SSID ng Globe at-home prepaid Wi-Fi? Okay, so ipapakita natin kung paano siya gagawin. By the way, yung mga steps na ipapakita natin is applicable only to Globe at-home prepaid Wi-Fi modem or router, which is usually a Huawei router. Okay, so although hindi naman tayo required na magpalit ng Wi-Fi password kasi each modem or router has a unique Wi-Fi password and it's a long one. So meaning mahirap siyang hulaan. And it's usually found on a sticker sa ilalim ng router mismo. So the only way for others to know what your Wi-Fi password is of course to look at that sticker sa ilalim ng router. Yeah, so this is how you change your Wi-Fi password and SSID. So first, if madami kayong Wi-Fi network na available sa bahay, kailangan yung connected sa Globe at-home prepaid Wi-Fi network. So ipapakita ko in a bit kung bakit. Okay, next, open a browser and go to this website, http://globebroadband.net, or type nyo lang tong series of numbers na to. So 192.168.254.254. So pareho lang yan, mas mukha ka lang techie kung yung mga numbers yung gagamitin mo. Pero actually, the same page ka lang dadalhin yan. So let me show you muna pala kung ano yung mangyayari kung sa ibang network ka nakakonect. So ayan, hindi siya nahanap. Kaya need nating nakakonect sa tamang Wi-Fi network. So again, that's the first step. So connect to the correct Wi-Fi and then go to the website I gave you. Then click login sa my upper right. Okay, so for username, type lang natin yung user, U-S-E-R. And for password, type @L03E1P3. So don't worry, pare-pareho lang talaga yan. Actually, nasa sticker din sila, pero huwag nyo nang hanapin kasi it's the same for all. Okay, so after typing the password, click login. Okay, so itong mga next na to, itong privacy notice, makita nyo lang to the first time you log in. So click next nyo lang yan, pati yung user agreement, click agree lang. Okay, so ito yung default SSID or Wi-Fi name and ito rin yung default Wi-Fi password nyo. So first time yung mag-login, pwede nyo na siyang iset kung ano yung gusto nyong pangalan ng Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. Or pwede nyo din siyang i-leave as is. But of course, I recommend that you change it na. So gawin natin now. Sa next page, i-ask din kayo kung gusto nyong palitan yung password to login dito sa Globe at-home user admin area. Ito yung kanina yung at L03E1P3. Important to kasi after mong ma-set up, you can change the Wi-Fi password again from this admin area, admin user area. So kung iniwan nyo siya for example sa default, pwede siyang mapalitan ng kahit sino yung password mo. Okay, so that's how you set up. From here, you can see kung ilang devices yung naka-connect sa Wi-Fi mo. Alright, so now, let's say hindi mo napalitan during setup or nag-reset ka ng router which will make the password go back to the default. Saan natin siya pwedeng palitan? Actually, madali lang siya. So from this page, click Wi-Fi basic settings and there we go. So this dito mo pwedeng palitan yung SSID and Wi-Fi password. It's really simple. Okay, so now what if nakalimutan mo yung password mo to log in here sa admin area? Or let's say may nagpalit ng password without your knowledge. So paano mo siya mababalik or paano mo mapapalitan yung password? So actually, madali lang naman. All you have to do is reset the router. At the back of your modem or router, may small hole that says reset. So of course, kailangan nyo lang ng pin or manipis na stick, basta kasya, then press nyo lang siya for about 3 seconds. So that's going to reset the router password, which is also your admin password dito sa page na to, back to the default. So siya yun na yung pabalik ulit siya sa @ L03E1T3. All right, so that's it for our video. Hope you find this helpful.